on a very interesting thing. Okay, this is an algorithm of the CSS which we are talking today. So in this video, I will be explaining something really nice. As you can see, there's a normal and relative. Now, what is these things are here? Okay, so do anyone have any idea what is this thing? So you can write in the comment box section as well. Okay, so now what we are doing here is a very special thing. So here trying to box out the layouts and how to introduce them. So fixed and sticky positioning, which we are applying here. Okay, so CSS positioning. So this is all about. So how you position the things. So here you can see in the first part that absolute boxes are removed from the normal flow, and then again they can go anywhere inside. So what happens if it is a fixed and sticky? Let's go for the fixed and sticky. So in this part, I am doing a very rather different thing. So here the scrolling part, if you just take the code, you can ask for the code, we'll give it to you. So always visible, and the sidebar is a sticky part. Okay, so this is a kind of a thing, and the higher numbers go on the top. So the fixed position is relative to the viewpoint, and the sticky starts relative to parent and then becomes fixed when scrolling reaches the top part of it. So we're setting the pattern in a way so that it gives you the layout. Now, what is a flex box? So if I go to the flex box part, let me just give it to you, that thing as well.